Are you wondering if the video quality on these very cheap dash cams are actually any good, and should you maybe get one of these? So this over here probably is one of the most popular models you can get on sites like AliExpress and Temu. So this is actually the listing where I got mine from. By the way, if you also want to get for absolutely crazy price, I'll leave special discount link in the description that you use to get it for absolutely crazy price. I'll leave both for AliExpress and also Temu. So you see, literally I paid actually a bit under $6 for my camera, so the normal price I think is like $15. But again, if you follow those special links, you can get for absolutely crazy price. So you see, basically on this camera we actually even have dual camera setup as well. So we have the main camera over here and also additional camera, and also this actually is infrared camera as here as well. So if you actually try to film at night, this can also see in the night, so it's actually very cool. Also you see, you can easily like move it around, so you can either film basically the road in infrared. By the way, when there actually is enough light, it actually doesn't use infrared, so it simply uses regular camera. But again, so in like nighttime, essentially it turns on the infrared. So again, you can even like film yourself. So I have actually taken some videos with this camera, so let me actually show you what you can actually get. So this is me simply driving around with it, so you can see for yourself. This actually was filmed in very bright day, so you can see how it actually looks like. By the way, when you actually film with this camera, also make sure your window is clean, otherwise you'll see some kind of spots basically on it. So you see, for this price, I think that's absolutely good quality, so can't really complain at all. So you can very easily see everything here. So you can see your time date here. So for this price, yeah, I do not think anyone will actually complain. Also, yeah, basically one more video, so where I simply took the camera, so without a car, and simply went around with it. So you can see what it actually looks like. Maybe if there is very bright objects, maybe very bright skies, then it kind of blows out a bit. But you see, you can very easily, clearly see all the details in the video. So yeah, at this price, so that's actually pretty darn good. Okay, yeah, so yeah, works absolutely great. So that was the quality actually on the main camera. On this camera actually the quality is actually significantly worse, and also it's more square. So so this one, again, maybe for night vision it's okay, but if you want very good quality, I do not think it's that good quality. However, the front one, as you see, it's actually completely fine. So when it comes to resolution, says it can like in full HD, and that's actually accurate. So I actually checked the actual resolution and on a PC essentially, and yeah, that's it. Also you see, you can also press and hold this M button over here to access all the settings. Okay, I actually had to like end the video, sorry. So let's press it again. Okay, so you see this resolution choice you can get. I see you can even get like slightly better resolutions than full HD actually on this camera. Also we can adjust exposure, so again, in very bright day, maybe that is useful. Also this camera also appears can detect motion as well. I think so if you basically leave your camera inside the car, and if someone were to crash in you, this camera I think could actually turn on itself and actually film the area basically. So that's also very useful, I think. Also it can actually record audio, so we have one microphone. Okay, where do we have it? So I hope you can see we have one microphone over here, and I think also another microphone on the front of it. Audio quality, if you are simply talking in the car, yeah, so can't complain much, it's fine. Also, you see, you can also like adjust more settings here. So yeah, it's actually pretty decent. So, and for this price, I do not think you can actually get better cameras than this one. In fact, actually in the past year on this channel, I have actually had 3 of these very cheap dash cams, and this by far actually has probably the best video quality I have seen so far. So yeah, for this price, I think it's absolute bargain. So again, if you actually want to get this camera for absolutely crazy price, simply check out the special discount links in the description. They will lead you to the listings on Temu and also AliExpress, where you can pick it up for absolutely crazy price, and that also is with free shipping for this price. Yeah, can't beat it. Good luck.